In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blur card in Figma. Let's jump right in by opening your browser and heading to figma.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're signed in so you can access files and bring resources into your workspace. If you're using the desktop app, the experience is similar, but I'll reference the web interface for clarity. From the Figma homepage, navigate to the community section. This is where designers share files, templates, and components you can reuse. It's a great place to find ready-made assets that save time while still letting you customize everything to match your brand or project. In the community, use the search bar and type blur card, then press enter. You'll see a range of results. Look for a template that includes a Glassmorphism style card or any design clearly labeled as a blur card. You can open a result to preview it, check the style, and confirm it has the effect you're after, typically a translucent card with background blur for that soft frosted look. Once you've found a template you like, select it and click to open the detail page. Here, click Open in Figma. This will bring the file into your workspace so you can inspect layers, effects, and settings. If you see an option to duplicate the file to your drafts, use that to make an editable copy you control. Inside the file, locate the blur card element. It may be a frame, a component, or a group. Select the card and copy it. You can use keyboard shortcuts or the edit menu, whatever you prefer. Make sure you're copying the entire card container so you keep the effect and its nested layers together. Now switch to your own project and paste the card into your canvas or the target frame. Position it where it needs to go and adjust its size if necessary. If the blur is designed to sit over an image or gradient, place it on top of those layers to get the full effect. Finally, customize it. In the right-hand panel, open effects to tweak the blur settings. Background blur gives a true glass look by blurring what's behind the card. Layer blur blurs the layer itself. Adjust opacity and fill color to control transparency. Add a subtle stroke for definition. And tune corner radius, shadows, and padding to match your design system. Replace placeholder text and icons. Align spacing with your layout grid. And ensure contrast is accessible. If the card looks flat on a solid background, try placing it over a soft gradient or photo so the blur feels intentional. And that's it. Your blur card is ready to use and reuse across your project.